You've seen it everywhere. The influencer holding a mason jar, swearing that warm lemon water is the secret to their flat stomach and perfect skin. It's pitched as this magical morning elixir, a cheap and easy way to detox your body and melt fat. This wellness trend has been around for years, promising everything from a fired-up metabolism to cancer prevention. But as a doctor, my job is to look past the hype and at the actual evidence. And when it comes to lemon water, the hype is a lot. But is there any truth to it? Well, yes and no. There are a few kernels of science buried under a mountain of myth. So today, we're going to put your morning lemon water habit under the microscope. We'll bust the 5 biggest myths you need to stop believing, and then we'll cover the handful of real science-backed benefits. I'm not just here to tell you what to do, I'm going to explain the why, what's really happening inside your body. By the end, you'll know exactly what this drink is and isn't doing for you, so you can make a decision that's right for your health.
Let's get into it. Before we get to the good stuff, we need to clear the air. Some of the claims about lemon water are so over the top, they're not just a stretch, they're flat out wrong. Let's start with the biggest one of all. Myth number 1. Lemon water detoxifies your body. This is the myth that just won't quit. The word detox is probably the biggest red flag in the entire wellness industry. The claim is that lemon water flushes your system, cleanses your liver, and washes away all the toxins that built up while you were sleeping. Let me be clear, that's not how your body works. You don't need lemon water to detox. You already have an incredibly sophisticated built-in detoxification system: your liver, kidneys, lungs, gut, and skin. These organs work 24/7 to filter your blood, neutralize harmful stuff, and get rid of waste. Your liver is the star of the show. It's a chemical processing powerhouse that transforms toxins into water-soluble compounds your kidneys can then pee out. This is a constant, powerful process. The idea that a little lemon juice can somehow boost this multi-organ system is pure marketing. Now, staying hydrated with water is essential for your liver and kidneys to do their job. But the lemon is just along for the ride. Sure, the vitamin C from the lemon contributes to your body's overall antioxidant defenses, which indirectly supports liver health, but it's not performing some magical cleanse.
Chuckles. The water helps transport the waste out, but it would do that with or without the lemon. So, unless you have diagnosed liver or kidney failure, your body is detoxing itself just fine right now. Myth number 2. Lemon water melts fat and boosts metabolism. The claim that gets everyone excited. A simple drink that melts fat? Sign me up. You'll hear that lemon water torches calories and specifically targets belly fat. Physiologically, this is impossible. You can't melt fat. Fat loss is a complex process that only happens when you're in a calorie deficit, burning more energy than you consume. No single food or drink can magically dissolve fat cells. So, what about the metabolism boost? Well, there's a tiny grain of truth here, but it's been blown way out of proportion. Drinking water can cause a small, temporary uptick in your metabolic rate called water-induced thermogenesis. Your body uses energy to warm the water to body temperature. We're talking about an extra 20-30 calories burned per liter of water. It's a negligible amount that won't impact the scale. And notice that the effect comes from the water, not the lemon. So, where does the weight loss idea come from? It's simple, and it's indirect. If you swap your morning sugary latte or glass of juice for 0-calorie lemon water, you'll consume fewer calories. Do that every day, and yes, you will likely lose weight. It's not a miracle, it's just math. The lemon water didn't melt fat, it just helped you create a calorie deficit. Myth number 3. Lemon water alkalizes your body. This myth comes from the whole alkaline diet trend, which claims you can change your body's pH with food to fight disease. The theory is that lemons, while acidic to the taste, become alkalizing in the body. This is a classic case of taking a tiny piece of science and twisting it. Your blood pH is one of the most tightly regulated things in your entire body. It stays in a very narrow, slightly alkaline range, 735 to 745. If it deviates from that, you are in a medical emergency. Your lungs and kidneys are absolute masters at maintaining this balance. The idea that your diet can change your blood pH is, for a healthy person, just not going to happen. It is true that after being metabolized, the minerals in lemons can make your urine more alkaline. But changing your pee's pH is not the same as changing your body's pH. It just means your kidneys are doing their job. Your body is in charge of its own pH, and it's not letting a glass of lemon water get in the way. Myth number 4. Lemon water is a miracle for digestion. People swear that warm lemon water wakes up their digestion and beats the bloat. Is there anything to this? For a very small group of people with low stomach acid, the citric acid in lemons might help supplement their own acid levels to break down food. It's a plausible theory, but honestly, we don't have solid clinical studies to prove it works. For most of us, the digestive benefit comes from the water. A warm glass of water in the morning can help hydrate the digestive system and get things moving, which can definitely help with constipation. But again, plain warm water does the same thing. Even worse, for the millions of people with acid reflux or GERD, drinking acidic lemon water on an empty stomach can be a recipe for disaster, triggering heartburn and irritation. So, calling it a universal digestive aid is a myth. It's a real double-edged sword. Myth number 5. You must drink it warm and first thing in the morning. The ritual is so specific, right? It has to be warm, and it must be the first thing you have when you wake up. Let's start with temperature. Warm water can feel soothing, but there's no strong science that it's magically better for digestion. In fact, vitamin C, one of the key nutrients in lemons, is sensitive to heat. If the water is too hot, you can actually destroy some of the vitamin C. Lukewarm or room temp is probably best. And the timing? Look, drinking a glass of water when you wake up is a fantastic habit. You're naturally dehydrated after 7-8 hours of sleep, so rehydrating is smart. But the real benefit here is the water. The idea that it needs to be on an empty stomach to cleanse you is tied to all the myths we just busted. The real benefits, which we're about to get to, work anytime. All right, we just cut through a lot of hype. If this dose of reality is helping you make sense of all the noise, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube you appreciate evidence-based content and helps me make more videos just like this. And hey, if you have a friend who swears by their morning detox, maybe gently share this video with them. Now, let's move on from what lemon water doesn't do to what it's actually good for. Now that we've cleared away the myths, let's talk about what the science actually supports. Lemon water isn't a cure-all, but it does have some legitimate, if more modest, health perks. Benefit number 1, it's an awesome hydration tool. This seems obvious, but it's easily the most important benefit. Your body is about 60% water, and literally every system depends on it. Proper hydration is key for everything from energy levels to brain function. Let's be real. Plain water can be boring. A lot of people just don't drink enough of it. If adding a splash of lemon makes water more enjoyable and helps you hit your daily hydration goals, that's a massive win for your health. Starting your day with it is a great way to rehydrate after sleep and sets a healthy tone for the day. The lemon isn't magic, but it's a great tool to build a crucial habit. Benefit number 2, it gives you a little vitamin C boost. Lemons are famous for their vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that's vital for your immune system and skin health. It's essential for building collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm. How much are we talking about? Squeezing half a lemon into your glass, which is what most people do, will give you around 10-15 milligrams of vitamin C. The recommended daily intake for adults is 75-90 milligrams, so that's a nice little bump toward your goal from a single calorie-free drink. It's not as much as an orange, but it's an easy and meaningful contribution. Benefit number 3, it may help prevent certain kidney stones. This is one of the most specific and scientifically supported benefits. Kidney stones are hard mineral deposits, and the most common type is made of calcium oxalate. The hero here is citric acid, which lemons have in high amounts. In your urine, The citrate from the lemon juice can help prevent these stones from forming. It works by binding to calcium, stopping crystals from forming in the first place, and by coating existing crystals so they can't get bigger. For people who are prone to this specific type of kidney stone, especially those with low urinary citrate, increasing their citrate intake is often recommended by doctors as a supportive strategy. And lemon water is an easy way to do it. This is a real, evidence-based medical benefit, not just general wellness advice. Benefit number 4, it can help you absorb iron. This one is a great little health hack, especially for plant-based eaters. Your body easily absorbs heme iron from animal products, but it struggles to absorb non-heme iron from plants like spinach, lentils, and beans. This is where vitamin C comes to the rescue. It significantly enhances your body's ability to absorb non-heme iron by converting it into a more usable form. So, having a glass of lemon water with your spinach salad or lentil soup is a brilliant move. It helps you unlock more of the iron from your food. This is a huge plus for vegetarians and vegans. How to do it right? Okay, so if you decide lemon water is for you, let's make sure you do it as safely as possible. The number 1 risk is dental erosion. Lemon juice is extremely acidic. Over time, it can soften and wear away your tooth enamel, which does not grow back. This can lead to sensitivity and cavities. Here are 3 non-negotiable tips to protect your teeth. Use a straw. This helps the acid bypass your teeth. Simple, but effective. Rinse with plain water. After you're done, swish with plain water to rinse away the acid. Wait to brush. This is critical. Do not brush your teeth for at least 30-60 minutes after drinking. The acid softens your enamel, and brushing it in that state is like using sandpaper. Let your saliva do its job and re-harden the enamel first. Also, try to use fresh lemons. Bottled juice is convenient, but its vitamin C content can be variable and is often lower than the fresh stuff due to processing and storage. Squeezing half a fresh lemon into a glass of water is a great place to start. And finally, listen to your body. If you have acid reflux and it gives you heartburn, stop. It's not worth it. So, what's the bottom line on your morning lemon water habit? It is definitely not the fat-melting, detoxifying miracle the internet wants you to believe it is. The claims about it overhauling your metabolism or alkalizing your body are pretty much myths. However, it's not useless. It's a fantastic, low-calorie way to make hydration less boring. It provides a nice little boost of vitamin C, and, for certain people, the citrate can be a genuinely useful tool for preventing kidney stones. The best way to think about lemon water is as a healthy hydration habit with a couple of nice perks. The real winner is the water. The lemon is just the flavorful bonus. So, if you enjoy it and you're protecting your teeth, go for it. It's a refreshing, healthy ritual. But if you're forcing it down, hoping for magic, you can officially let yourself off the hook. Focus on the real pillars of health: a balanced diet, regular movement, good sleep, and staying hydrated. And if you want to add a little lemon to that water, now you know exactly what you're getting. Thanks for watching.